Remember, when getting into the cab, always face the machine and maintain 3 points of contact as you enter. Step only on the steps. The C-Series features an all-new sealed and pressurized cab. This keeps dirt and debris out and cold or warm air in. The result is a cleaner, quieter, and more comfortable operating environment unmatched in the industry. An air ride suspension seat is available for even greater comfort. This seat can be adjusted as well as moved fore and aft to meet your specific needs. The C-Series also features new seat-mounted joystick controls. The joysticks can be adjusted independently of the seat, as well as each other. This allows you to set up both the seat and the joysticks for maximum comfort. 2 joysticks and the throttle are all you need to control the machine. For the standard control pattern, the left joystick controls the direction of the machine. To go forward, push the joystick forward. To back up, pull the joystick backwards. To move the front of the machine left, push the joystick to the left. And to move the front of the machine right, push the joystick to the right. The right joystick controls the movement of the lift arm and work tool. To raise the lift arms, pull the joystick backwards. To lower them, push the joystick forward. To tilt the work tool back, move the joystick to the left. To tilt the work tool forward, move the joystick to the right. Float can be activated by momentarily pressing the trigger while lowering the lift arms. The buttons on top of the joysticks control auxiliary hydraulics functions. For the optional selectable pattern control, the joystick movement is as shown on the illustration. The operator can use either the hand or foot throttle to control engine speed. There are instrument panels on the upper right and left-hand corners of the cab. The panel on the upper left of the cab includes rocker switches for the following features: auxiliary hydraulic pressure release, hydraulic lockout and interlock override, rear work lights, front work lights, multi-function switch for left-hand trigger, auxiliary electric control, auto level control, and the hydraulic quick coupler control. The front left display panel includes the fuel level gauge, service hour meter, selectable pattern control switch, parking brake switch, engine start, and 12-volt plug. The front left display panel also includes alert indicators. On the first row, moving from left to right, there's the driver alert, alternator output, parking brake, and seat belt and armrest indicators. On the second row, you'll see the hydraulic high flow, continuous flow, work tool system, hydraulics, glow plug starting aid, and engine indicators. The third row includes the machine security system, 2-speed control, work speed control, ride control, joystick control pattern 1, and joystick control pattern 2 indicators. There's also an audible alarm for these operating parameters. See the operation and maintenance manual for detailed explanation of warning levels indicated by the alert indicators and action alarms. The optional Advanced Machine Information and Control System is located on the right front panel. Engine coolant temperature and hydraulic oil temperature gauges, as well as a digital display screen for information on engine speed. Selectable implement control, selectable work speed control, and service modes. When equipped, the right panel also includes rocker switches for the beacon, hazard flashers, roading lights, and turn signals. The panel on the upper right of the cab includes rocker switches for the selectable work speed control and the speed-sensitive ride control. The fan speed, air conditioning, and temperature controls are also located here.